So we have our video here. Now we just need to right click to copy and then paste to have duplicate. We can also just hold Option and drag. And now you're gonna have two videos. Now we're just gonna focus right now on the first video. We're gonna go to Effect, right Blur, and just drag and drop this on the bottom video. From here, now we can hide and see and hide this video. And now we have this blur. We can find this blur right over here in Effects. And what you can do is click on this pan and you can increase or decrease this blur. Okay, that's fine. Now we need to enable unhide this video. We can go to the top video, make sure you select this video. And then from here, we're going to go to mask, add the mask. Okay, and we can go to mask here. Okay, click on this move, and we want to only hide this child face. If you are on the Pro version, you can use a brush, which is pretty cool, and you can also use a pen, which is fine. But for majority of stuff, you don't need the Pro version. We can just use a circle. It's totally fine. And then we have the problem is we need to hide only the face, to mask only the face, to blur only the face. So we're just gonna click on here reverse. And now another problem is that the face will move, especially right now. So just make sure the mask is perfect and then just click on track here, both directions. And this is just gonna add some keyframes, nothing too complicated. And now this mask, as you can see, is gonna move around, which just works just fine. So I hope you found this short video helpful.